Unlocking the power of AI for business growth and website traffic. Artificial intelligence, AI, is revolutionizing the modern business landscape, offering unprecedented potential for efficiency and innovation. By automating routine tasks and analyzing vast datasets, AI enables companies to focus on strategic planning and creative problem solving, paving the way for groundbreaking developments and a competitive edge in the market. In the realm of digital marketing, AI-driven SEO strategies are transforming how businesses enhance their online visibility. Through predictive analytics and machine learning, AI tools can identify emerging trends and suggest optimizations for content, ensuring that websites rank higher in search engine results and attract more organic traffic. AI chatbots are redefining customer service, providing around-the-clock engagement without the need for human intervention. These intelligent assistants can handle inquiries, resolve issues, and guide users through websites, offering a seamless and personalized customer experience that fosters loyalty and satisfaction. The creation of personalized content is another area where AI excels. By analyzing user data, AI algorithms can tailor content to match individual preferences, making it more relevant and engaging. This level of personalization not only attracts a wider audience, but also enhances user engagement and retention. Predictive analysis and market trend identification through AI tools are empowering businesses to make informed decisions. By forecasting future market movements and consumer behaviors, companies can strategize effectively, optimize their operations, and stay ahead of the curve in a rapidly evolving business environment. Enhancing the user experience on your website can significantly benefit from AI-based recommendations. By analyzing user behavior, AI algorithms can suggest personalized content, products, or services, thereby not only improving the user engagement but also increasing the chances of conversion. This seamless integration can transform a casual visit into a loyal customer relationship. Utilizing AI-driven SEO strategies elevates your website's visibility by optimizing content for search engines in a more efficient manner. AI tools can analyze trends, predict keywords' relevance, and suggest improvements in real time, ensuring your site ranks higher in search results. This leads to increased organic traffic without the constant need for manual adjustments. The adoption of AI chatbots for customer service revolutionizes the way businesses interact with their audience. Available 24/7, these chatbots provide instant responses to inquiries, reducing wait times and improving customer satisfaction. Their ability to learn from interactions ensures that the service they provide becomes increasingly efficient over time. Implementing AI for personalized content creation allows businesses to connect with their audience on a new level. By analyzing data from user interactions, AI can help create content that resonates with the specific preferences and needs of each visitor. This tailored approach can significantly enhance engagement and foster a deeper connection with the brand. Predictive analysis and market trend identification through AI tools are transforming business strategies. By forecasting future trends and consumer behaviors, companies can make data-driven decisions, optimize their operations, and stay ahead of the curve. This proactive approach minimizes risks and leverages opportunities for growth in a competitive landscape. Enhancing website speed and performance is crucial for retaining visitors, and AI-driven solutions offer an edge. By analyzing user behavior and site data, AI tools can optimize loading times and streamline content delivery. This not only improves user satisfaction, but also boosts search engine rankings, making your site more discoverable. Utilizing AI for effective competitor analysis allows businesses to stay ahead in the market. Through deep learning algorithms, companies can uncover competitors' strategies, performance metrics, and customer feedback. This intelligence enables the formulation of superior strategies, ensuring your business remains competitive and adaptive to market changes. Voice search optimization with AI has become essential as more people use voice assistants for internet searches. AI can help tailor your website's content for voice search queries, making it more accessible and increasing its reach. This approach ensures your business caters to the evolving habits of users, enhancing accessibility. Local SEO is vital for attracting local customers, and AI can significantly improve this aspect. By analyzing local search trends and user preferences, AI algorithms can optimize your website for local searches, ensuring your business appears prominently in local search results. This targeted visibility drives foot traffic and local engagement. Machine learning for dynamic pricing strategies allows businesses to adjust prices in real time based on demand, competition, and inventory. This AI application not only maximizes profits, but also enhances customer satisfaction by offering fair prices. Implementing such strategies ensures your pricing is always competitive and market responsive. Utilizing AI for better inventory management transforms how businesses forecast demand and manage stock levels. By analyzing sales data and market trends, AI algorithms predict future product demand more accurately, reducing overstock and stockouts. This ensures that businesses maintain optimal inventory levels, improving operational efficiency and customer satisfaction. AI-driven recommendation engines offer a personalized shopping experience for customers by analyzing their browsing behavior and purchase history. This technology enables websites to suggest products that customers are more likely to be interested in, significantly increasing the chances of purchase. It enhances user engagement and boosts sales by making shopping experiences more relevant and tailored. Implementing AI-driven A/B testing on websites allows businesses to make data-backed decisions on web design, content, and functionality. By automatically testing different versions of a web page, AI identifies which variation performs better in terms of user engagement or conversion rates. This results in a more optimized website that caters effectively to user preferences. Enhancing data security and privacy with AI involves using intelligent systems to monitor and protect against cyber threats in real time. AI algorithms can detect unusual patterns or potential breaches, ensuring that customer data is safeguarded. This not only secures the business's online assets, but also builds trust with customers by protecting their information. Utilizing AI for effective link building and domain authority improvement involves analyzing the web to identify high-quality link opportunities. AI tools can evaluate the relevance and authority of potential linking sites, suggesting the most beneficial partnerships for SEO. This strategic approach enhances a website's visibility and ranking on search engines, driving more organic traffic. Incorporating AI into web design transforms static pages into engaging experiences. Through AI, websites can feature interactive elements like quizzes and polls that adapt based on user responses. This dynamic interaction captivates users' attention, encouraging longer visits and more meaningful engagement with the content presented. Distributing content effectively across platforms is a challenge that AI tackles with ease. By analyzing user engagement and platform trends, AI algorithms can determine the best times and channels for sharing content. This ensures maximum visibility and engagement, helping businesses reach their target audience more effectively across the digital landscape. AI technology revolutionizes online reputation management by continuously monitoring the web for brand mentions. It uses sentiment analysis to gauge public opinion, alerting businesses to both positive feedback and potential PR crises. This real-time insight allows companies to respond swiftly, maintaining a positive image in the digital arena. Streamlining customer feedback through AI not only simplifies the collection process, but also enriches the quality of insights gathered. AI tools can sift through vast amounts of data, identifying patterns and sentiments that might go unnoticed by human analysts. This leads to more accurate customer feedback analysis, driving improvements in services and products. Efficient project management is pivotal in today's fast-paced business environment, and AI lends a significant hand in this area. By automating routine tasks and optimizing project timelines, AI allows teams to focus on strategic planning and innovation. This shift towards higher-value activities accelerates project completion rates and enhances overall productivity. Utilizing AI for financial forecasting and budget optimization revolutionizes how businesses plan their finances. By analyzing vast datasets, AI identifies trends and makes accurate predictions, enabling companies to allocate resources more effectively. This foresight not only reduces wastage but also maximizes profitability, ensuring a competitive edge in the market. Enhancing team collaboration and productivity with AI tools transforms the workplace into a more efficient environment. These tools automate mundane tasks, facilitate seamless communication, and provide personalized project recommendations. The result is a workforce that spends more time on strategic thinking and creative tasks, driving the business forward. Leveraging AI for creative visual content creation attracts more traffic to your website. AI algorithms generate unique and engaging graphics, videos, and images tailored to your audience's preferences. This not only captivates users, but also encourages them to spend more time on your site, enhancing your brand's visibility and engagement. Using AI to optimize the mobile experience of your website caters to the growing number of users who rely on their smartphones for internet access. AI ensures your site is responsive, fast-loading, and easy to navigate on a small screen, significantly improving user satisfaction and potentially increasing conversion rates. Implementing AI for global market expansion and localization strategies enables businesses to enter new markets with ease. AI analyzes cultural nuances and language differences to tailor your products and marketing efforts, ensuring they resonate with local audiences. This strategic approach minimizes barriers to entry and positions your brand as a global contender. In the fast-paced world of modern business, AI stands as a beacon of efficiency, especially in automating routine tasks. By delegating mundane activities to AI, companies can free up their workforce to focus on strategic planning and creative problem-solving. This shift not only boosts productivity, but also fosters a culture of innovation and forward-thinking. AI-driven personalization has revolutionized customer loyalty programs. By analyzing individual customer data, AI tailors rewards and recommendations to fit unique preferences, enhancing the customer experience. This approach not only strengthens customer engagement, but also encourages repeat business, forging stronger relationships and loyalty in a competitive market. Efficient supply chain management is critical for business success, and AI is at the forefront of revolutionizing this domain. By predicting and managing logistics needs, AI optimizes inventory levels, reduces waste, and ensures timely delivery. This level of precision and efficiency supports a seamless operation, crucial for maintaining customer satisfaction and operational excellence. Predicting customer needs has become more accurate with AI's advancements. By analyzing behavioral data, AI anticipates customer requirements, offering timely solutions and personalized experiences. This proactive approach not only elevates customer satisfaction, but also positions companies as attentive and responsive, adapting swiftly to market demands. AI's role in promoting environmental sustainability is both innovative and essential. Through optimizing resource use and reducing waste, AI supports eco-friendly business practices. This commitment to sustainability not only benefits the planet, but also resonates with environmentally conscious consumers, enhancing a company's reputation and aligning with global sustainability goals. Leveraging AI in B2B marketing strategies transforms lead generation by pinpointing the most promising prospects through predictive analytics. By analyzing past interactions, AI helps businesses tailor their approach to meet the specific needs of potential clients, significantly improving the efficiency of outreach efforts and increasing the conversion rates. AI for crisis management offers a proactive approach to identifying potential issues before they escalate. Through real-time data analysis, businesses can anticipate problems, allowing for swift action to mitigate risks. This capacity for rapid response not only protects the brand's reputation, but also fosters trust with customers and partners. Enhancing the online shopping experience with AI-powered virtual assistants revolutionizes customer service. These assistants provide personalized shopping advice, recommend products based on customer preferences and browsing history, and offer instant support, making the shopping journey smoother and more enjoyable, leading to increased customer satisfaction and loyalty. Incorporating AI into product development sparks innovation by analyzing market trends, customer feedback, and competitive landscapes. This enables businesses to identify gaps in the market and develop unique products that meet evolving consumer demands. AI-driven insights accelerate the development process, ensuring businesses stay ahead in a competitive market. Integrating AI into your business strategy paves the way for long-term success by streamlining operations, enhancing customer experiences, and driving innovation. As AI continues to evolve, its potential to transform various aspects of business operations becomes increasingly significant, offering a competitive edge in today's fast-paced market.